What up, gang? BLK Slime here with a tech spot review of the Beats Solo Pro. Make sure y'all tune in. We did do an unboxing of these not too long ago, so click on that link down below. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and of course don't forget to hit that little notification bell and y'all will be updated for any new videos. So my first impressions were like, damn, these headphones look premium. So if y'all had something like the Studios or the Solo 3s off jump, you'll notice that metal band on these, which I mean, since that's what my Solo 3s broke at, that's gotta be pretty nice. Alright, so at the time of this recording, if I look up on the Beats website, the Beats Solo Pros are currently going for $229.95 plus tax, of course. Uncle Sam gonna get his cut. But they were originally $299, so grab them while they're hot. Going hotcakes, yes sir. But if you're looking for them discounts, you can hit eBay. You can find them for $179. But if you do grab these, you probably want to take care of them. These are some $300 headphones, so take care of these hoes. Alright y'all, so this is where the magic finna start for real. Since you open these, they automatically turn on and connect to the last pair device, which I gotta say is pretty clutch. No more forgetting to turn off your headphones so they end up dying on you. Nah, none of that. As soon as you close them and throw them in your bag, they off and ready to go next time for real. Man, but how forgetful I be is pretty nice to have for real. And that fast charging is too smooth. I just gotta plug them up for 10 minutes and we get 3 hours of music. And on full it's 22 with noise cancelling or 40 without. These headphones also got transparency mode, which uses these little mics right here to play the audio coming from outside. It's pretty magical. You guys gotta try it yourself. Alright, so for anything you want to do with these beats, it's going to be on this little touch bar to the right. So let's go ahead and get into everything this little touch bar does. So if you push once, it will play and pause your music. If you go ahead and double press, it will take you to the next song. And of course, you guess it, triple tap will take you to the previous song. So Beats is owned by Apple, so if you press and hold, you can get Siri. And if you have an iPhone, they'll read your text messages. The Apple integration, pretty clutch. So if you push up, it'll be volume up, and if you push down, it'll be volume down. Pretty simple. Alright, so just like the AirPod Pros, I'm sure it's going to be the main reason you guys get the Beats. It's the active noise cancelling and the transparency mode. So I already told y'all a little bit about the transparency, which uses these little mics right here to play the audio coming from outside, like people's conversation, people talking, and plays them directly into your headphones without you having to take them off. It's pretty dope. And the noise cancelling is A1 on here. You guys just have to try it. Go to the store, put the headphones on, try it out. It's pretty easy to use as well. Just switches right in the settings on the volume section, or if you just press this button one time, it'll switch to transparency. Or if you push it one more time, it'll just switch it right back to noise cancelling. That's all this button does. It's pretty simple. Well, of course, that's unless you don't have an Apple device, and you can go ahead and press and hold this button, and it will start blinking, and that will let you know it's in pair mode. Alright, I got a quick little sound test for y'all so y'all can get at least a little bit of a feel. As y'all can see, the beats do get pretty loud and the sound quality is A1. I don't know if y'all could pick it up, but there is a slight difference on camera, on the transparency, and the noise cancelling. Alright y'all, so that's really about it for the Beats Solo Pro review. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all have any questions about these headphones. I'll let you know. I do not bite y'all. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And before I forget, these do charge with lightning. Don't let that phase you guys. They still do come with fast charging. So I'm going to go ahead and answer some questions for you guys before you guys ask me anything in the question down below. Are these headphones waterproof? No, they're not, but they are water resistant. That's a nice plus. Are they wireless? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they worth it? Well, that's kind of a personal question for me. They definitely are, but the noise canceling, are they good for working out? No, they will fall off your head, in my opinion. Sweat resistant? Yes. Now that's about it. Deuces.